So as you have seen in the video, I am making a very delicious, tempting and super healthy snack recipe that's called kachalu or street side potato salad, you can call, especially in North India. And the best part is that it's a zero oil recipe, lovely flavors. You will love the amalgamation of taste in these flavors, and it can be made within best 5 minutes if you have boiled potatoes. Stay tuned to this lovely recipe. You will love the flavors. Hey guys, I'm Subhankari and I welcome you all to my channel Source Food Corner English, and I hope you all are doing great in your lives. If you are new to my page, do subscribe to my page. Do not forget to tap the bell button, and thank you all for loving my channel so much and liking my videos so much. So let's begin with this lovely recipe. So for this recipe, I'll be needing to prepare a nice spice mix. Just I have heated a pan on medium flame, and dry roast we need to do around 6 to 7 amount of dried red chilies. Again, it depends upon your taste. If you want a bit spicy, you can go for that. Whole coriander seeds I have taken around 1 teaspoon, and cumin seeds I have taken 2 teaspoon. I need to dry roast all these ingredients for around 1 to 2 minutes. And here I want to share a super easy trick. If you want your spice powder to be not over roasted, get the chilies should be nicely roasted. For that, just press the dried red chilies in this way. As I am pressing it against the heated surface of the pan, this will induce the heat and will not actually take more time to roast these chilies, because every time we roast something like this, the cumin seeds and the coriander seeds gets roasted, but this red chilies, they won't get roasted so easily. So trick is that just press it in this way and they will actually absorb the heat, and within 2 to 3 minutes this is nicely roasted. And for this recipe we need a nice roasted crunchy spice mix powder, so it will take around 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame, and once it gets nice coloration, remove from heat and just you can blend it to make the spice powder. That's the preparation. And boiled and peeled potatoes I have taken around 300 grams. So here it is, and wait till the potato cools down and then cut it into small circular shapes in this way. And as we normally make it in North India, people there prefer the new potatoes that have a very peculiar taste, and to avoid breaking the potatoes, slice them once they are cooled down. So that's it. So here my potatoes are ready, the spice mix is ready. So let's prepare this interesting and delicious chaat or salad, anything you can call it. So in a bowl I have transferred the potatoes. Salt I have used regular salt around half teaspoon, and black salt I'll be using for the typical chaat style, street style flavor, around 1 teaspoon. And to this I'll be adding 2 full lemon. Yes, we want a tangy flavor for this chaat. Alternatively, you can use 4 to 5 tablespoons of tamarind water, anything you can opt for, but here I have used lemon because it's easily available and is readily accessible to everyone. So lemon here I have squeezed around 2 full, and 2 medium sized tomatoes I have taken and I have cut them into small chunks. So this goes my lovely red tomatoes, and to it I'll add the prepared spice powder around 2 teaspoon. Again, it depends upon the amount of spice you can relate to. Just sprinkle it in this way. So everything we have added, very basic and simple recipe, and now it's time to mix. So I'll just mix everything, the potatoes, the salt, lemon juice and the spice powder, and make sure sometimes the potatoes will stick together in this recipe. So just break this separate these potatoes, and it should be nicely coated. And then goes some beautiful chopped green coriander leaves, and I prefer to add 2 to 3 drops more of lemon juice. Again, it's personal choice, but I just prefer a little bit tangy for taste for this recipe. And now you can adjust salt and give it a mix, and believe me, it's ready to be served. So easy, 4 to 5 ingredients, and can be prepared in just 3 steps without any gas, and totally a oil free recipe. Try this one and you will love the flavors. I have just served it in this way in classic street style look, and you can see the freshness of this chaat. It's typically called kachalu chaat, anything you can call. Alternate the amount of spiciness level, anything you want, but just try it to believe it how simple and how easy a recipe can be, and yet it turns out to be super delicious and super tasty. So this is commonly found in the streets of India. Try it to believe it. And now it's time for the comment of the day. Today's comment of the day is from Rajashri Raut. She writes, "Ma'am, today I tried this and it was so delicious. सब उंगलियां चाटते रह गए. Thank you so much." I am so glad, Rajashri, that it turned out well, and it is so lovely that you actually let me know. And she has actually commented on the recipe of cauliflower curry. So try it out. You'll love the recipe. And for today's recipe, that's super easy 5 minutes video of this beautiful street style recipe. Try it out, potato salad or kachalu recipe. You can also follow Sue's Food Corner English on Instagram and Facebook. And if you like today's video, do give it a thumbs up and not forget to subscribe to my page. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life and happy fooding.